The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. This is a paid announcement by the landlord of Lot 127 Cedar Grove Crescent, Magill Palm. This tenant or rent for 24 months, whole water bill for 4 years, got notice 2 times and don't want to move. Condition apply. This is a paid announcement by the landlord of Lot 127 Cedar Grove Crescent, Magill Palm. This tenant or rent for 24 months, whole water bill for 4 years, got notice 2 times and don't want to move. Condition apply.
Viewers and subscribers, I wonder if that video is a publicity stunt or not, you know? Yes, I wonder if that video is a publicity stunt or if it is not a publicity stunt. I wonder which landlord would allow his or her tenant to owe him or her so much rent and so much bills for so much time, as said in that video that I just presented to you. You see? Just imagine a landlord use a sound system or use a horn to let persons within a community know that his or her tenant owe him or her so much rent and so much bills for so much time. If something like that ever happened to me, viewers and subscribers, I probably would come out of the house and say, hey, move you. But I would probably humble myself, you know, viewers and subscribers, because I'm in the landlord's house, you see? But anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. You can tell me if you think the video is an act or if it is not an act, you see me? You can let me know if you think the video is a publicity stunt or what, you understand? Yeah, because, you know, you have persons who post videos on social media that are just an act or publicity stunt for views and likes, is it? Alright. Anyways, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I am here again. Now, I have more things that I'm going to talk to you about, you see? Now, I saw a video circulating on social media that shows a person frying a fish in a backhoe bucket. Yeah, the person was frying a fish in a backhoe bucket, right? Fire was under the backhoe bucket and the person fried a fish in the backhoe bucket. Viewers and subscribers, I do not think that is hygienic. I have a friend that would say, I don't think that is hygienious. You see what I say? But on a real low, viewers and subscribers, I would never encourage anyone to do anything like that, you see me? Because I think that is dangerous for your health, you see me? And I also saw a video circulating on social media that shows a person riding a motorcycle and a refrigerator was on the back of the motorcycle while the person was riding the motorcycle. Now, I think that is dangerous. And I would never encourage anyone to do anything like that. It is too dangerous. I think it is highly dangerous to do something like that. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, for you to get a better understanding as to what I'm saying, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. And you can also let me know what you think about this video as well, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Viewers and subscribers, I do not want to know how the person do that. You see me? Because I do not want anyone to do anything like that. I think it is dangerous, you see? Anyways, the video has been talked about on social media, so I presented the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about the video, alright? I saw a post on social media about a person who goes by the name of L.A. Lewis. You see? And I did my best to read the post. Yeah, I did my best. You understand? Now, it had came to my attention that Queen Elizabeth II's husband, who goes by the name of Prince Philip, had died. You see me? My condolences to the friends and the families and the loved ones of Prince Philip. You see me, I say? Now I'm going to try and read this post to the best of my ability. The picture in this post, I think that this picture is an edited picture. You see me? Anyways, listen. My fans, I know you need me in Jamaica, but Her Majestic the Queen has requested my presence at the Royal Palace. I will be back after we bury Mr. Philip, who was a great man and always talk how he liked to see black people. I will be back to deal with all my enemies soon, and uno know uno self, uno bad mind, uno. I'm not going to say the bad word. So according to the context of that post, it seems as if the post said that Queen Elizabeth II requested L.A. Lewis to come to the Royal Palace for the burial of Prince Philip. Viewers and subscribers, do you think the Queen had requested L.A. Lewis to come to the Royal Palace for the burial of Prince Philip? Because in my point of view, I do not believe the things that have been said in that post. I think that post is a publicity stunt. And I do not think the Queen actually requested L.A. Lewis to come to the Royal Palace for the burial of Prince Philip. I don't think so, you see me? But you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think about that post, alright? Channel, viewers and subscribers, if you think too hard about certain things, I think it can drive you insane. I think so, you see me? Alright, big up and respect to L.A. Lewis. You see? Yeah. Big up, respect L.A. Lewis. Anywhere you're at, big up yourself. You see me, I say? Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he do not like the customer care service of a company that he called WU. The person also said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he tried to send money to persons, but those money had not been sent because of the company that he called WU. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and listen to some of the things that this person said, and you can let me know which company you think the person was talking about. You see me? You can also let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that this person said. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Well, go on. So, me used to hear a thing I go around, but me never know it would have reached me. Zane? So normally me hear people always talk about W, that sending money company there, or service, whichever you want to put it. I block them. So here what? 2 days ago, me send bills from in a foreign here to Jamaica. Zane? So the person did make me aware say them block the W, that sending service, they block them. So anyway, before that, me did call them and talk to them, and them say no problem, whatever. There is no blacklist or anything like that. So me inform the person there is no blacklist or nothing like that. So everything supposed to good. When me send the $100 now, appear problem. The people might verify this and I verify that, and me send on the information for verify. The person still never get through. Then decline the transaction, send back my money, Zane, and after me call him back, now them a tell me say the person block, which me did call him the day before. So anyway, me say, you know what, me I go forget that and use somebody else. Not too long ago before me make the video, me I send a man link me. Him say him fresh. Yo, me not call nobody name. A $30 the man beg me. Zane, I may send the $30. Me in the process of sending the $30 over and over into a decline. So when me link back, me call Western, that company there. Me not call out them full name. And them me talk. Them make me know say me violate laws and rules and whatever, which me normally send money and it go through, but me don't know what happened to that time. Yeah. So them give me email address for me email Smaddy and for get back answer, which me tell them say me don't want no email. Me not send no email to nobody. Me don't want no number, because me tell them upfront say I don't think I should be going through so much trouble for send money. You understand? So the reason why me I make that video now, because of the people them, the majority rule, you know, are the people them have the power, you know. And me I talk especially to people who they overseas who send money. We have the power. In anything of the people them have the power. What me I ask everybody for do, because me I hear it over a period of time where the company are black people. Me I ask everybody for just boycott them, just leave them alone, make them keep them company, and after a while when them see say are them alone and them company and nobody now use it for send money in other direction there the region, then them have to change up back them thing. Because as I say, me no do nothing wrong, and who me I send to no do nothing wrong. But the world is so unfair. The people them want to scam and I do all sort of things. I feed them thing I go through, you know. But law abiding people who I go about them everyday business, them are black. So me I ask everybody again. The company when you NW, just leave them alone. No in an argument with nobody. Cause me say I pity how people don't know how unity is strong, you know. Me just want everybody to just leave them alone and them company, and make them go send money go give them one another in a them company. Adapt me want, and adapt me I ask her. Go use a different service, cause that me I go do. A while ago, when them tell me about my black and me fi send email fi get response from XYZ, me tell them say me no want nothing. Me no want nothing from them. Me take my card off it, me block everything. Me block everything from them. Cause me no want hear about nothing from them. Me not go through no problem with nobody. I send no email to nobody. Me no want hear it. Because them see everybody, especially from Jamaica, they see everybody as scammer and thief. Zine? And as I say, who are scammer and a thief, I feed them thing I go through. But the regular people, them thing now go through. Anyway, me now make that video long, you know? That's all me I ask. You somebody else and make them keep them company to them.
Alright, well, big up and respect to each and every one. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on, alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Alright, so until the next time, on the big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch. Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man.